Today we talk about how can you create your first Talkie on your Talkie app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on create your first Talkie. Just click on it here. Then here you click to set appearance here in this list. Just click on it, and here can you add a voice, and here name, and here select your gender and your intro here. Then here your opinion here. So then here just click on create my Talkie. Then it's going to create video here on your Talkie app. So that's all you have to do. Then here can you add your image here. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.